Hi, this is a brief explanation of OKExChain, where you can trade just about anything. OKExChain is the world's first trading chain, a decentralized, borderless, blockchain technology-based ecosystem for exchanging value. Now, let me explain to you the different features of OKExChain. So, here, first of all, you can access this via the website. Here we have a wallet, we have a doc, we have GitHub. You can access GitHub through here, and then a DEX. A DEX is the decentralized exchange. So, introducing OKExChain. OKExChain is the world's first trading chain, blockchain technology built for trading. It's the next step in the development of centralized trading, where people can trade anything of value on chain. You own and control the assets you trade. So OKExChain provides safe and efficient infrastructure for creating decentralized applications for seamless on-chain trading of all kinds of assets within a cross-chain value exchange system. So simply put, OKExChain is going to be decentralized. It's a way, everything about crypto is moving to DEX, which is actually the main big vision of blockchain. Blockchain is decentralized and distributed and permissionless. So centralized exchanges is not the ideal goal for blockchain. So therefore, OKExChain is a move towards that centralized nature of the blockchain technology. So with OKExChain, you can do everything you want. You can trade any assets on chain. Now look at the 8 core features of OKExChain. What makes it stand out? We have high performance. OKExChain supports all types of the apps. We have different applications that run on centralized platform. So all you need to do is load up those decentralized applications on platform that support them, and they open. If you open them on normal website, they won't open. You have to open them on a decentralized platform. Now, OKExChain gives you that opportunity where you can load up the apps. We're talking about the apps like Uniswap. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange. We have like PancakeSwap and the likes of it, the YDX, all those exchanges, centralized exchanges. We have other kinds of the app. We have wallets. We have lending platforms that run on decentralized platforms. So, it is this OKExChain now is designed to support high performance and high volume transactions, typical of trading activities and financial services. The speed at which the blockchain is really, really moving and scaling, lots and lots of transactions happen on chain every day. So OKEx is built to support and manage all these things. So we have centralized governance. So any user can apply or to campaign to become a network validator. One of the things that centralized platform gives to us is it gives you the opportunity to be anything to be anything, because in centralized platform it's mostly like it's for some persons. Like if you don't have the capacity, you won't be able to function in that area. Take for example now, on a centralized exchange, you need to be like maybe a whale to be a to be a maker on the platform. But with the centralized platform, anybody can provide liquidity to the platform, because the platform is automated. So you have different automated systems like that, like Uniswap, for example, whereby it's automated. Anybody can provide liquidity for as little as the amount you have. I think as little as $50. So with OKExChain, any user can apply to become a validator and participate in the community development. So you can contribute to say, okay, I want this, I want to change, I want to tweak this, I want to tweak that, and then whatever the your proposal will be either accepted by the community or rejected. So it is really a very democratic and very decentralized governance. So we have another feature is community driven consensus. Another thing you should note about blockchain is that there are so many consensus mechanisms on which things function. We have the consensus mechanism, like we have the proof of stake, proof of work, proof of authority. There are so many of them. So with OKExChain is community driven. Now OKT holders define the direction of OKExChain development by initiating and voting for proposal. So as long as you're holding OKT, you can stand and say, okay, this is the kind of development I want, this is the kind of improvement I want. So you being a holder of OKT automatically qualifies you to be to initiate and vote for proposals. So approval of free listing. Now users can create their own digital assets, trading pairs and liquidity pools on OKExChain without approval or permission from any centralized entity. So you can create your own digital asset. Isn't that amazing? Your own trading pair and even add liquidity to pools. So another one is EVM compatibility. Now OKExChain will support the Ethereum virtual machine. As of today, Ethereum is trading at over $1,100, and the way it's going to even go further than that. So the EVM machine includes Ethereum developer tools whereby you can build stuff. So once OKExChain supports EVM, developers can use development tools and languages of Ethereum to develop smart contracts on OKExChain. Isn't that amazing? You can develop smart contracts on OKExChain with Ethereum virtual machine. So the OKExChain will be compatible with EVM, and developers can comfortably create their smart contracts on OKExChain. So we have the cross-platform trading, whereby OKEx DEX's platform, desktop application is supported by all major operating systems. Now you don't have to bother about whether your Mac OS or your Windows or your Linux will support this DEX system. OKEx is going to make sure that DEX is supported by all major OS and provide easy access to on-chain trading with its user-friendly design. One thing I've always loved about OKEx is that the design is very clean and it's not busy to the site. So a newbie can easily see things and access everything. So it's very super user friendly. So another feature of OKExChain is the cross-chain gateway. The cross-chain gateway. OKEx has already launched its OKExChain based cross-chain gateway for easily transferring assets across various major public chains. So they also plan to introduce support for Cosmos IBC cross-chain solutions soon. Another feature that OKExChain supports is the OKEx DEX on OKExChain. Not only supports spot trading, but it will also integrate blockchain oracles and consequently support derivative trading and other related products. So you can see that OKExChain is well packed for you. See, blockchain technology is the future, and every platform is trying to scale and trying to build capacity to be able to accommodate what's coming. So, and OKEx is on that path. With this OKExChain, it shows that everything is everything they are working towards is putting it's putting the future into consideration. So what exactly is OKT? If you remember, I mentioned OKT when I was talking about the governance part, whereby if you're holding OKT, you'll be able to propose uh proposals. So OKT is the native token of the OKExChain ecosystem, just like OKB is native token for the centralized trading platform for OKEx. So it provides immediate utility and benefits such as voting rights. You can vote for proposals, taking privileges, you can stake it, and transaction fee payment. Now you cannot pay instead of paying your fees, you can pay your fees in OKT. And if you're holding OKT, you can vote for proposals and you can stake it, just taking privileges for decentralized exchanges and other DeFi applications built on the network. So it's not costing you other cryptos or tokens. It's costing you the fees you're going to be paying will be in OKT, which I believe is very, 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 very affordable for the users. So the OKT Genesis block will contain an initial minting of 10 million OKT, which will be distributed to OKB holders who stake their OKB on OKEx Jumpstart, which has already started at the time of this video. And OKT has the same halving model as Bitcoin, where its block reward is cut in half roughly every 3 years, meaning the value of OKT is also subject to increase over time. So the initial block reward is OKT, and the theoretical upper limit of OKT stock supply is about 72.2 million, which will actually increase demand in the near future. So the use of system resources, an application running on the OKExChain network requires the chain to allocate certain network resources such as computation, storage, and bandwidth. OKExChain charges the transaction fee for resource usage. And in staking, it is required to stake a certain amount of OKT in order to apply to become a validator candidate, as well as to submit a chain governance proposal or execute an order pending operation. I believe this is very simple to understand. So to vote, OKT holders obtain voting rights by staking their token. So one address can vote for up to 30 different validator candidates, and the number of votes for each validator candidate that the address has supported is dependent on the amount of OKT the address has staked. So I believe this explained a bit, is a brief introduction to OKExChain, where you can trade just about anything. So now looking at the OKExChain decentralized applications, we have the OKEx cross-chain gateway, we have the OKEx DEX, which is the testnet as of this time of this video, whereby you can it supports spot trading, and we have the OKEx swap, which is going to be released very soon. OKEx swap will be just like your Uniswap and your Pancake swap and your Sushi swap and your all these swaps, where automated market maker, whereby you can do your spot trading. You can easily swap one token or coin for the other, and then more incoming. So I want you to just stay tuned to on OKEx, and then more is coming from OKEx, truthfully. Then the on-chain wallet. Now OKExChain also accommodates an on-chain wallet whereby you can, it's a very secure multi-currency digital wallet app whereby you can store as many cryptocurrencies as possible, very secured. You can transfer and send to anyone. You can store and transfer and receive cryptocurrencies, very, very secure. So it's coming to your Android and your iOS. Now, the features of on-chain wallet is very easy, keeps your assets secure with a convenient three-step mnemonic seed-based backup process. Multi-asset, you can save as many crypto assets as possible. You can create or import multiple wallets. You can manage your assets just in one place. Institutional grade security, cold wallet technology developed by a world-leading security team, featuring a multi-layered mechanism to safeguard your assets. So the wallet, the on-chain wallet, is the best for you because it's simple to use, multi-asset support, and it has institutional grade security. So why are you not keen into all these features that the OKExChain is bringing your way? So just like every other decentralized platform, you can access the Explorer, whereby you get the full transparency with the powerful blockchain Explorer, whereby you can access when the OKExChain launches soon. Just stay tuned. You can explore every part of the powerful blockchain Explorer. So I hope you look forward to using the OKExChain, because what I see here is a platform whereby you can easily trade anything, simple to use, user friendly, very secured, and it puts you in mind. Protects, very secure for your assets. So you are making money, you are protecting your money, and you are multiplying your money with OKExChain. So OKExChain is the future. So get ready to trade just about anything. Thank you. Just make sure you click the like button and click the subscribe button on this video. It's Valucop. Stay tuned for more educational videos.